Hey folks, talking about sizing. So what I'm wearing right now is a medium jacket. I'm 5'8". I'm 170 pounds, and you can see that it fits me perfectly as is. I still have a little bit of room. If I was going to layer heavy and I was actually out in the, in the environment, and I wanted to put heavier sweaters, I would probably go with a large jacket. So that's that. The pants I'm wearing, these are a large pants. Again, they've got quite a bit of room inside. They've got a nylon sort of elastic in the back to hold it tight. But again, this is a large that I'm wearing. I probably could go with a medium, but it'd be a little bit snug on me. So there you go. That's the sizing for this for me anyways.